Pakita mo muna yung sa ano, harapan.
Here is the so this is the front and this is the inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my number cards in here. Okay, there. Okay.
Put here na. Kita ka ba?
Yes. Okay. Ito na po, guys. So, I'm gonna put it here. Nasa.
Pala po pwede.
Okay. So, the first one is done. Second part. Oh, so pretty.
Sabihin mo.
Okay. So, this is the second part.
Who's that?
This is Gwen, I think. And this is the Pokemon. This is Charizard, or I don't think that's Charizard.
Hindi ka makita eh.
Okay.
Gagawin ako.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna put you here. Okay. So this is the yes. Okay, so this is the first part and this is the second part. I'm not done yet, so okay, so I'm gonna put you